Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use your Afterpay on Cash App. So first, access Afterpay within the Cash App. Open Cash App on your phone, go to the Activity tab to see your recent transactions. Find purchases labeled with Afterpay or Pay Over Time available. Now make payments or manage Afterpay purchases. Select the Afterpay purchase you want to pay for, and you can choose to make your payment manually by clicking the Pay button, where you can select your next payment, remaining balance, or a custom amount. You can also enable or disable autopay by selecting autopay within the purchase details. Now, third step is shopping online using the Cash App Afterpay. So, when shopping online at supported stores like Amazon or Walmart, look for the Cash App Afterpay or the Afterpay payment option at checkout. Select this option to split your purchases into 4 installments, paid every 2 weeks through Cash App. The first payment is charged immediately and subsequent payments are automatically deducted on schedule. Now, no separate Afterpay account are needed for this because all payment management, payment scheduling, and support is handled entirely within the Cash App. You do not need a separate Afterpay account. And if Afterpay is not directly integrated at checkout, you can still use your Cash App card as the payment method within the Afterpay app on supported purchases. And you can view your full payment details and schedules inside the Cash App activity feed for your Afterpay purchases. Monthly statements are also available in the Cash App profile under Documents and Afterpay. So this integration allows you to split purchases into interest-free installment payments conveniently from within the Cash App, simplifying management and payment reminders all in one place. If you want to shop using Afterpay with Cash App, look for Afterpay options during the checkout process on supported online stores or use the Cash App card in a standalone Afterpay app as a fallback. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.